What is up, people? Welcome to your sneaker guy. And guys, yes, I am super duper excited. I am super happy to show you guys a pair from Puma. This pair, if you get a chance, like not everyone can buy it because it is a special edition pair. It is very limited. It is not available everywhere. So if you can buy it, if you get a chance to buy it, buy it. Trust me on this. If you get a chance to buy this pair, do buy it, because it is not going to be available for everyone. So it is very limited. It is from Puma. It is in the special edition box as well, like special box for a special pair. Just look at this character here. I forgot the name of this character. If you can name it, do let me know. Do you remember this cartoon character? I just forgot the name. I'm very sorry for that. It is a Puma Suede XL Carrot, yes, and you get a very tiny carrot here. That is very cute. Again, you get a tiny carrot here. That is again very cute. Super amazing pair. Now let's unbox this pair. I want to show you guys the unboxing as well, because you get that paper here, butter paper, which has a print of mud, basically like soil in which the carrot grows. So I hope you understand why it is a butter paper which has soil print over it. If you can see it, I don't know if you can, but it is a print of soil. Now I have seen it clearly. You have two packets here, but the items which are in the packet is in the box for some reason. So I'll keep this. It is empty packet here. Then you open this. Then you get another butter paper. Look at this. Then you get another butter paper here. So now let me just unwrap this paper and sneaker. Then I'll show you the pair. So this is Puma Suede XL Carrot, a full suede upper sneaker in that bright, bold orange colorway. You see that full hairy suede going all over the upper of the sneaker, from the toe box to the back heel and even on the tongue. You see that hairy suede all over it. Then you also get to see that aged cream off-white midsole on this pair. That looks very interesting with that, and I loved it. And to give that whole feel of the carrot, you get that green laces on them. And by the way, you have two extra laces with it. Like, I am sorry for just this mess, but yes, you get two extra laces with it. One is that orange to just do that camo with orange on this pair, and the other one is this white lace which looks very premium. Like, just look at the details on the laces. This gold tips, just look at that. That is super good. Like, even this one has that green tip. This one has the green tip, orange one has the green tip. All of the laces are same but very premium. I loved the laces. I can buy this pair only for the laces as well. Like, that is how I loved the laces on them. And that green lace looks too good. Like, if you know how to loose lace a pair, that would just hang from here, and that would look so good. Like, I loved this pair. Okay, now coming to the details on the sneaker, because the sneaker has some details going on and I love that. So on the tongue of the sneaker, you get to see that Puma and Carrot logo, and that looks super good on this pair. Then you get to see that Puma Suede XL branding in gold on the outer side of the sneaker, on the side panels. That looks amazing as well. Then we talk about something we have and we get to see on the back heel of the sneaker. So on the right pair, you get to see that Puma logo embroidered in orange, and then on the left pair you see that C of the carrot there, and that is again a very good detail. I loved that. Just look at that. That looks very good. Super cute embroidered C there. That is amazing. I know I might sound weird, but I love the small details on pair, and that is what attracts me towards sneakers. Like, I just feel very happy looking at the small details. That looks very interesting. Now talking about something very cute on this pair. Like, I don't know, I find a lot of things cute on this pair, but they are, man. Like, just look at this small golden carrot here, which is coming out of the outsole, like midsole. You can just have a look at that golden carrot. That looks so good. Like, it is super impressive, and I love the small details on this pair. That is what I liked on this pair, and it looks super good. And now talking about the pair in general, Puma Suede XL, one of the very good Puma silhouettes they have launched last year, I believe. and very amazing pair. Like, I love this silhouette. It is super chunky, super good if you wear streetwear casuals a lot. If you wear skinny jeans or something like that, stay away from this. But if you wear some baggy outfits, some streetwear, something like that, this can be a great silhouette for you. In general, the silhouette is great. Then you have something like this. It is mind-blowing. I love the ankle area. That is super thick, super squishy, super soft as well. Like, you get good padding around your heel. That is nice. This sneaker is decently comfortable. Like, I can give 7 out of 10, not very squishy under your feet. Basically, this is a normal Puma Suede, and then they upgraded normal Puma Suede to Puma Suede XL, and they made it chunky. That is how this sneaker has came to life. Now talking about the pricing on it. I got this sneaker for a crazy price. That is 3,841. That is I don't think so you can get that sneaker for that price. I don't think so you can get this sneaker as well, because it is very rare. I'll give the link in the description. If you can find it in your size, you can buy it. And now the sneaker is somewhere around 4,300 rupees, something like that. Still a great price, because this sneaker retails for, like, MRP on this sneaker is 9,999 rupees. That is 10,000 rupees. Obviously, this is a special edition pair. That is the reason it is expensive than the normal Puma Suede XL. Puma Suede XL goes around 7,000 rupees. And I got this pair for 3,800. That is a mind-blowing price. You can get it for 4,500. If you can get it, you can get it for that price. And trust me, if you can buy this pair, buy it right now. This pair fits true to size, decent in comfort. Right now it is at a great price. If you get a chance, go for it. I have got this pair from Amazon, from the Amazon Great Indian Festival sale. I got it for a good deal. I just told you guys. So do let me know what you guys think about this. Do let me know what is your thought on this pair. Like, I love this pair. Do let me know what you think about this. And if you like this sneaker or this video, I believe you will like this video as well. And with that, thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you next time in the next video. Till then, peace.